Easicrown is a crown volumizer designed for the beginning stage of hair loss. Due to its unique base size and placement, it offers volume and coverage for the wear in the crown area. In this video, we'll review the base design and the step-by-step on how we got the look. Easicrown features Jon Renau's single monofilament design, which allows for multi-directional parting and natural movement of the hair. The polyurethane-coated monofilament allows for the use of adhesive if desired. The pressure-sensitive clips are strategically placed to secure the topper to your biological hair. Easicrown is made with Remy human hair, and as with any alternative human hair piece, we recommend performing a check wash within 14 days of receipt. One commonly asked question is, how do we get the looks on our website and our catalog? Here's how we got the look for Easicrown. To dry and style your topper, pin to your canvas blockhead, apply blown-away blow-dry balm and weightless volumizing foam. Blow-dry for volume using your Jon Renau round brush. Take a small section of hair and apply 2 to 3 pumps of heat treat thermal spray to protect the hair from heat damage. Use a 1.5-inch curling iron to create slight wave and bend. Always pre-style your biological hair prior to applying your topper. For this look, we applied easy pieces to add volume and fullness to the style. Section your hair and apply Easicrown in the crown area. Gently backcomb your biological hair in front of Easicrown and smooth it back over the base using your paddle brush. Always hold the base of the topper while blending to prevent pulling your biological hair. Not doing so will cause tension on your biological hair and can cause hair loss. Finish your style with Jon Renau's versatile 3-way hairspray and use your fingers to finish styling. To watch more styling videos, click on our styling playlist. For everything else you need to know about toppers, click on Hair Toppers 101.